And that is what we're replacing. we seem pretty good. Let's just make sure everything works. So don't drop your drill. That is not something good to do. And wear shoes. Don't be like me. So we got everything back in place the way it should be. We're gonna turn the car over and we're gonna see if everything works. All right, our windows work. Everything's good. Let's see. Pull this. Okay. So it does work. Cool. Okay, my trunk still works, just that it doesn't like opening. Well, it's nice to have a full, like, door opener thingy. I got it nice and replaced. Everything's back in the place it should be. I really need to clean out. Like, one other thing I'm gonna do. I think if we happen to find a Hyundai Tiburon GT that has all the door paddles, I think we're gonna take them off of it and throw them into this car, because the other one is, they're nicer. They have like leather and whatnot on them and some red stitching. So I think we might do that. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. This is a very quick thing. I honestly didn't even think I was gonna make a full video on this because I didn't know if I could do it. But that is pretty much it. If you like this and you have any questions on how to do this, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I just love the way that sounds. And this doesn't even have like a fully built exhaust. Let's do it again. Let's start it one more time. It just growls to life. Alright, that's all.